Welcome to another insightful episode on our journey to manifesting. Today we'll explore a crucial aspect, manifesting when doubt creeps in. Doubt is natural, but it doesn't have to derail your manifestation process. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful steps to help you manifest, even when doubt tries to pull you off track. Step 1. Acknowledge your doubt. It's essential to recognize and accept your doubts. Pretending they don't exist can make them stronger. Embrace your doubts with compassion. Understand that doubt is a part of the process, and it doesn't have to define your manifestation journey. Step 2. Reframe your thoughts. When doubt arises, reframe it into positive affirmations. For instance, if you doubt your ability to manifest abundance, affirm, "I am worthy of abundance, and it is on its way to me." This shift in perspective can counter doubt with empowering beliefs. Step 3. Visualize your desired outcome. Visualization is a potent tool. Envision your goal as if it's already yours. Feel the emotions associated with achieving it. This practice helps override doubt by reinforcing the belief in your manifestation. Step 4. Take aligned action. Manifestation requires more than thoughts. It demands action. Break your goal into manageable steps and take consistent action towards it. By doing so, you demonstrate your commitment, weakening the grip of doubt. Step 5. Trust in the process. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Release the need to control every aspect. Have faith that your desires are manifesting in their perfect time and way. Remember, doubt is a natural part of the manifestation journey. By acknowledging it, reframing thoughts, visualizing, taking action, and trusting the process, you can manifest even in the face of doubt. If you found these steps helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Prince Chakras for more insightful videos like this. Until next time, stay aligned and manifest your best life.